ElectraCast.
Does it ever feel like you're a marketing professional just speaking into the void? But with LinkedIn ads, you can know you're reaching the right decision makers, a network of 130 million of them, in fact. You can even target buyers by job title, industry, company, seniority, skills, and did I say job title? See how you can avoid the void and reach the right buyers with LinkedIn ads. Spend $250 on your first campaign and get a free $250 credit for the next one. Get started at linkedin.com/campaign. Terms and conditions apply.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for September 29th, 2025.
Today, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has captured the first direct measurements of a circumplanetary disk around the young exoplanet CT-Cha-B, 625 light-years away. This carbon-rich disk contains molecules like acetylene and benzene, suggesting it could be a nursery for forming moons and offering fresh insight into how planets and moons evolve. Back on Earth, NASA welcomed a new class of 10 astronaut candidates at Johnson Space Center. Over the next 2 years, they'll undergo intensive training in space health, robotics, flight operations, spacewalks, and mission simulations to prepare for future flights to low Earth orbit, the Moon, and even Mars. The Hubble Space Telescope has also released a striking new image of the N11 star-forming region in the Large Magellanic Cloud. Bright young stars illuminate thick clouds of gas, sculpting dusty clumps with ultraviolet radiation. Combining data from 2002 and today, this image highlights Hubble's incredible ability to track stellar nurseries over decades. Meanwhile, aboard the International Space Station, researchers presented results from the ring-sheared drop experiment, studying protein behavior in microgravity to better understand diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The Expedition 73 crew also configured advanced experiments including foam physics, high-temperature material studies, and the Voyager Flytrap Tech Demo, which tests inflatable bags for capturing orbital debris or returning samples. Finally, NASA's Curiosity rover continued its trek across Mars' boxwork terrain, investigating ridges between the hollows Laguna Escondida and Laguna Socampa. Alongside geological studies, the team captured cloud observations before the cloudy season ends and monitored dust activity as the dusty season begins, furthering our understanding of Gale Crater's atmosphere and geology. Those were the key activities for NASA on September 29th, 2025.
Subscribe to receive daily or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning in to NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast Media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Hannah Riggs. Music by Amir Saleil, I say.
Hey Iris, what's new in Dracula Town?
There's a lot happening, actually. Everyone wants to know. Who wrote Powers of Darkness?
The lost Nordic Dracula variation?
Yep.
Or could it have been Bram Stoker? Find out in the Powers of Darkness podcast from For Whatever Movies.
Debuting October 2025.